Yeah, akubeni kuhle Makhehla, akubeni kuhle kogogo, akubeni kuhle Makhehla amadala. Yebo, igama lami uMoyane kaNkosi, ngizalwa ugwayisensiza kaSizini. Ngithi akubeni kuhle kogogo, akubeni kuhle Makhehla amadala. Namuhla ngithanda ukukhuluma about space, the space that you are in and isikhathi. Isikhathi sedlozi ne-space, it's very important esimeni sabantu abadala. It's extremely important in so many ways. Now, the space that ohlala kusona, the space that you are in, the space you get into, it really can affect idlozi lakho. It really can affect idlozi lakho ngenye indlela ehlukahlukene. It can affect the way uphupha ngakhona. That's why at some cases you do not understand your dreams. That's why at some point you do not understand and see ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani kahle kahle emaphupheni akho. Ngesinye isikhathi kusuka kuyidlozi, ngesinye isikhathi kusuka kuyi-space lesi okuwusona. What have you invited in that space that you are in? Siyaphuma siyahamba, we have encounters, different encounters that we get along on to, and I tell you something short, like sihlangana nabantu abahlukahlukene who has different spirits, who has different energies. I tell you something short. So now, when uphuma uyakaika, so lokho mase kwenzakala, we shake hands, we hug, we kiss. You understand? We exchange energies when we do that. Angithi I tell you something short. Ngesinye isikhathi that ndawo le odlula kuyona affects your spirituality at some point. I tell you something short because of umoya ovunguza lapho. Ubani bekakhona lapho, ubani ondlule lapho, bekafila kanjani lo muntu la, it's all about how they're feeling, it's all about the energy that they possess and that ebayidlulisa kwabanye abantu. That's why it's very important ukuthi ispace sakho sihlezi sihlanzekile ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuze izinto zakho zicace ngendlela efanelekile. Now, mase i-affecta your dreams, amaphupho wakho ayakhathaza at some point. I tell you something short, ayakhathaza. Now mawakhathaza kanjalo awa-understandi ngoba manje they draw too much energy inside you. I tell you something short, they draw too much energy inside you, like nje, like ithatha amandla wakho amaningi ngoba kusuka kuba ne-activity eyenzakalako. Angithi I tell you something short. So now that activity esuke yenzakalayo ngesinye isikhathi isuka kuyinto oyibonile. You understand? Ngesinye isikhathi kusuka kuyinto oyibonile. Now it evokes certain energies within your dosing. It evokes certain spirits within yourself. I told them sure. Now they get vivid because of now there's too much energies in your it's busy phakathi kwena. That's why ngesinye isikhathi uhlezi ukhathele, umzimba wakho uqobekile, you don't understand what's going on. Idlozi lisebenza ngendlela ukuthi-ke manje kwamele lihlale lihlanzekile ngaso sonke isikhathi. It's very important for you, more especially as a spiritual being, to cleanse your space and cleansing yourself so that you can get clear dreams, so that you can get clear visions. You understand? So certain things that you need to do regarding that, you need to get spiritual cleansing so that what says those kind of energies as uphakamisa amaphupho wakho. I told you ngisho. So now, mawahlukumezeka amaphupho wakho, you losing information. When you lose information, you lose a certain part of yourself. It's like khona into efayo ngoba manje your body and your spirit, they are relying on those dreams. So now, if those dreams you do not see them well, definitely shows something has been taken away from you. And then you need to pay attention on that, on how to bring it back. Because of now, amadlozi ngesinye isikhathi bazokubona ngathi awubanakile and then like you don't pay attention in anything. So now kubalulekile kuwena ukuthi-ke manje to pay attention in that so that ukuthi manje whatever le uyenzayo nabo bakwazi uku-acknowledge ukuthi now this person is very serious with us, ithi simsize ukuthi simbone izinto ezikanje. The reason being futhi ukuthi uphupha abantu abaziyo engathi bayakuthakatha. Ngiyathola into engisho. Maphupha abantu obaziyo engathi bayakuthakatha, it simply means that the energy that has been transferred onto you, like nje uzothola ukuthi loyo muntu loyo bekahlangahlangene ngenye indlela ethize. Ngiyathola into engisho. You get that ukuthi their energies was so messed up. It was so messed up in so many ways. That's why manje ke maseka transfer kubo, let's say you had an encounter again, let's say umbonile, so mawumbone kanjalo ke manje that energy ingena kuyena. Along those days khona into ezenzakala, uzomphupha like certain things, and then wena as umuntu uzocabanga ukuthi uyakuthakathi, whereas it's not all about that. It's all about ukuthi yena what energies aziphase kuwena. Itsho into engisho. So those energies determines on how you see them in your dreams. Ngesinye isikhathi it's not about ukuthi ukushaye ngomuthi, no. It's all about ukuthi yena uphase kanjani that energy. Ngoba uzothola ukuthi lowo muntu is very innocent and you're very close, and then uzoxabanisa i-energy le elihlanganisile e-wrong ngoba manje unenkinga zakhe ey'thize. You understand what I'm saying to you? So now, the time and place that you are in at that time, it's very important because of each and every single thing is extremely calculated. Mayi-calculated kanjalo khehla lami, wena kwamele unake izinto ozenzayo, kwamele unake abantu obabonile, kwamele unake like nje it's too much work. It's too much work. That's why it's very important ukuthi nawe muntu uhlezi uphahlile, uhlezi uxoxe nabantu abadala, uhlezi ispirit sakho sihleli si-clean at all times, so that ukuthi this kind of spirit, they shouldn't bother you at no cost. You understand? Because of now you get into trouble ngento useless nje yokuthi manje uxabane nomuntu because of umbone akuthela ngomuthi, or umbone akushaya, or umbone uxabana na. It all boils down to one thing, an energy that they have transferred to you. That's what I'm sure. Are you comfortable enough where uthi nanoma uphahla bangakunakile? It simply means that uphahlela into eyi-one engaveli. It simply means ukuthi amadlozi wakho, they uncomfortable about that space. You need to cleanse it before you speak to them. Ngiyayithola into engisho. So isikhathi samakhehla nespace sabo sibalulekile ngayo ndlela leyo ukuthi manje you need to pay attention to that. Ngiyayithola into engisho ukuthi manje nanoma wenzani, indawo yakho kwamele ihlale ihlanzekile. Nanoma wathatha i-holy ash before you pray and sprinkle around your shrine and uyifafaze nje emsamo wakho, ukuze manje whatever that ozoxoxa nabantu abadala, whatever energies that you had and you faced with other people outside, they shouldn't affect the way you pray. They shouldn't affect the way you address your ancestors. They shouldn't affect your space as a whole, because you need to be comfortable when you speak nabantu abadala. You need to be comfortable when uxoxisana nabo. Uyathola into engisho. So now I'm trying to teach that to you ukuthi manje your space is very, very important for you ukuthi sihlale sihlanzekile, because of those energies. When you attract a lot of energies as a person. So now you need to know that your physical appearance is so fragile in so many ways. That's why with nanoma kuyothinteka uphume igazi nanami, it's so fragile, it attracts so many energies. So that's why kubalulekile uhlezi ugezile usikoni, because of if uzoba umuntu nje khehla lami ongayenzi lutho, definitely show you in trouble. So you need to pay attention to that. You need to stay clean at all times. Ngiyayithola into engishoyo, so that namadlozi wakho azokwazi ukurecognize. Khona abanye abantu abaphuma amadlozi wabo, amanye abakhulumi, abasho nethi, bavele bathi bawabuke nje. Sometimes it simply means that your space that you are in, it's not comfortable for them. So now fix your space, fix your spirituality. Ngithi akubeni kuhle.